Hello student, today I am going to come with new topic, that is database. So in this database, first we have to understand, being a developer, everybody must know the backend. Backend is nothing but it's a database, right? So in this session what we have to learn? We have to learn about the introduction of database and database management system. Then after I will discuss about the data model, and these are the model: relational, the network model, and then after hierarchical data model. So after that we will discuss about the key terms in RDBMS. These are the very important key terms which is required to everybody to understand, because if you are not understand these concept, then you are not able to implement the coding part. So it is very required. So being a software developer, you must know all these key terms. Now after that I will discuss about the number of keys. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट की प्रॉब्लम होती है कि नंबर ऑफ़ कीज़ में कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि प्राइमरी की क्या होता है, डिफरेंसेस क्या होते हैं इन कीज़ में, व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ कीज़, कैंडिडेट की क्या होता है, अल्टरनेट की क्या होता है, फॉरेन की क्या होता है. विल डिस्कस ऑल अबाउट द जितनी भी कन्फ्यूजन है. आई विल रिजॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम, and there will be no doubt in this particular session. Now let's start with introduction part of database. So database is a collection of interrelated data stored together to serve multiple application. Multiple application means database हमारा ऐसा नहीं है. database हम हर जगह यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी एप्लीकेशन की, चाहे वो बैंकिंग डोमेन हो या एजुकेशन डोमेन हो या किसी भी हॉस्पिटैलिटी डोमेन हो, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट है. तो एवरीवेयर वी हैव टू यूज़ द डेटाबेस, बिकॉज डेटाबेस इज़ अ वेरी क्रिटिकल फॉर एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बिकॉज डेटा अगर मेंटेन नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, तो डेटा हमारा लॉस हो सकता है, डेटा हमारा क्रैश हो सकता है, डेटा हमारा हैक हो सकता है. तो हमें क्या करना होता है, डेटा की इंटीग्रिटी को इंश्योर करना होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम सर्टेन रूल्स. Right, so we'll discuss after that, because I'm going to start introduction part. We have discussed introduction part of this database. So if you talk about the RDBMS, there are so many RDBMS in the market, like Oracle database management system, and SQL is there, SQL server is there, and Sybase, Foxbase, lots of database in the market. So here in this particular session I'm going to discuss about the database only. After this session, next video will be on the basis of that SQL. We'll discuss about the SQL command and all. So today database model, next topic is database model. Database model is, there are three types of model, like relational. First is relational model, and then after we'll discuss about the network model. First, relational model means what? Whenever data will stored in a such a manner that data data is stored in a table. What is table? Table is a collection of rows and columns, right? So whenever we store data in a relational manner, that is tabular manner, that is called relational data model. And after that we will discuss about the network model. Network model means what? Whenever we link one data to another data with the help of some certain link, that is something called network model, which is not part of in your course if you talk about the 12th CBSE 12th class board. And hierarchy, third one is hierarchical data model. In hierarchical data model means what? That will totally based on tree structure. Tree structure means there will be root, then after branches, then leaf. It is like that. Data will be stored in this manner, like tree manner. Okay, so these are the database model. Now let's come to the next point, that is key terms in RDBMS, because many of the students very much confused about the tuple, attribute, degree, cardinality, and data redundancy. That is why I make this particular session, this particular video, so that you can clear your doubt easily. Now I am going to start. First one point is what? Tuple means what? Tuple is nothing but it is a row, it is a single record in a particular table. Whenever we talk about the record, that is something called tuple. Attribute is nothing but whenever we talk about the table, there are number of columns. That columns is something called attribute, or you can also say that field. It is a name of field, right? And then after come to the degree. Degree means what? Degree is nothing but it's a collection of attributes or collection of column is something called degree. Are you clear about that? Now, next point is that cardinality. Cardinality means what? It is a collection of tuples. Collection of tuples means number of records. Suppose if you are having the record of a student, so there will be number of students in the particular college, and I want to access the number of records. That means we are accessing number of record means what? Cardinality. Now, if we cardinality, how we will define? Collection of record is something called cardinality. Collection of attribute is something called degree. And next point is that data redundancy. Data redundancy means data का repetition होना. Data का repetition होगा तो क्या होगा? There will be complexity will be increased in database. तो हमें क्या करना है? Being a database administrator, because अगर आपको database की knowledge है तो you will become a database administrator in good company. Right? So now I am going to discuss about the data redundancy. Data redundancy means what? Repetition of the data. Repetition of data होगा तो क्या होगा? Data हमारा कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा. तो डेटा रिडंडेंसी को रिड्यूस करने के लिए नॉर्मलाइजेशन कॉन्सेप्ट कम इनटू द एग्जिस्टेंस. सो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ नॉर्मलाइजेशन फॉर्म 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BSNF that is developed by Bayes code. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the next one is number of keys. Number of keys which is very very important to understand, because with the help of these keys I can structure a particular domain or particular software through which we can retrieve data from the backend, from the server, from the database. Okay. Now first point is that primary key. Primary key is what? Primary key is a key through that is uniquely identify each record in a table. टेबल के अंदर यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं प्राइमरी की. यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल if I have a table, student table. In student table, suppose I have number of columns like 3 columns, SID, student ID, name and class, like S01, S02, XYZ ABC. Class is 12th and let's suppose MCA, right? So I am going to discuss about the primary key. Primary key is nothing but it's a uniquely identify each record in a table. So this is what? This is the primary key. This is what? PK, that is primary key. With the help of this particular column, or you can say this particular data, I can identify each record in a table. Table name is what? This is the table name. टेबल को क्या बोलते हैं? रिलेशन भी बोलते हैं. रिलेशन. टेबल इज व्हाट? रिलेशन. So this is what? This is all about the concept of primary key. Candidate key means what? A key which can make as a primary key. हम लोग उसको primary key बना सकते हैं, बट हमने बनाया नहीं है, बट बना सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक आपका स्टूडेंट टेबल है, इस स्टूडेंट टेबल के स्टूडेंट आईडी है, ईमेल आईडी, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है. सो जो जनरली हमारा डुप्लीकेट ना हो उसको हम बोलते हैं कैंडिडेट की. जैसे कैंडिडेट की हमारा स्टूडेंट आईडी हो सकता है, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर हो सकता है, ईमेल आईडी हो सकता है, राइट. सो दैट इज़ यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई. लेकिन हमें क्या करना है? उनमें से जो चूज़ करेंगे, जो हमने चूज़ कर लिया वो हमारा क्या हो गया? प्राइमरी की हो गया. जैसे हमारे पास 3 आईडी SID है और ईमेल आईडी है, ईमेल आईडी, राइट. सो these two are what? These two are the candidate key. Candidate key. But I have chosen this one is a primary key. It means that this is a primary key. Primary key is what? Primary key is uniquely identify each record. बट हम इसको भी हम प्राइमरी की बना सकते थे, बट मैंने बनाया नहीं है. अगर मैंने इसको प्राइमरी की नहीं बनाया तो ये हमारे लिए क्या होगी? अल्टरनेट की. A primary key, a candidate key which cannot be make as a primary key, that is what alternate key. जो हमने इसके अंदर हमने प्राइमरी की नहीं बनाया, वो हमारा जो बच गई की है उसको हम बोलते हैं अल्टरनेट की. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज व्हाट, फॉरेन की. फॉरेन की क्या होता है? फॉरेन की व्हेनेवर वी वांट टू ensure that the referential integrity must be there, so then we have to use foreign key. Foreign key is basically with the help of two table we can implement the foreign key. If we are having the two table like student table and other table is faculty table, I want to link between these two table, then we have to use what? Foreign key. Let's take an example like this is what student table and faculty table या trainer faculty. This is the faculty table. In this fact ID, suppose faculty ID, name and SID. SID is there. So you can see here, this is what primary key, but in different table this is called foreign key. इसमें क्या होगा प्राइमरी की? ये आपका प्राइमरी की है. सेकंड टेबल में फैकल्टी टेबल के अंदर प्राइमरी की जो कौन सा है? फैकल्टी आईडी. लेकिन यहाँ पे एस आईडी आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे सेम मैच कर रही है, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज लिंक बिटवीन दीज टू टेबल. This is going to be linked with the help of this particular. So in the second table this is known as foreign key. In the first table this is called primary key. So this is all about the concept of foreign key. Now next thing is that we'll discuss about the, have you any doubt? No, I think if you have any doubt please let me know with the help of some comment. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो आप इसको लाइक ज़रूर करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग एसक्यूएल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस, विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल अबाउट द एसक्यूएल एंड एसक्यूएल कमांड. प्रैक्टिकल बात करेंगे, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ टेबल, हाउ टू क्रिएट नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स विल डिस्कस. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ नाइस डे.